Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this super short tutorial, we're going to show you how you can add Discord to your Opera GX web browser really quickly. So let's get started right away now, shall we? So what you want to do is open Opera GX on your computer, be it on your laptop or on your PC. And actually all you need to do, guys, here on your home screen or start page is click on these three dots in the very bottom left corner, Sidebar Setup. So click on it. And that is going to open up a variety of features and menus for you. So what you want to do here on the left panel or in that menu is scroll down to get to the Messenger section and expand that section by clicking on Show More. And as you can see at the bottom of that section, there is a Discord. So all you need to do is click on that checkbox here to the right. That is going to add a Discord to your sidebar here so that you can access Discord by clicking on it here on the left sidebar and log into your Discord account, for example, to join a server or to access your server or to have a friendly chat and conversation with your gaming buddies and so on and so forth, guys. So that's basically how you do it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and I'll catch you later.